Using AI to analyze affiliate ROI and predict trends is one of the most powerful ways to level up your affiliate marketing game. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to leverage AI tools to instantly spot profitable trends and optimize your affiliate campaigns for better ROI. If you've been tracking your affiliate performance manually, you know how time-consuming and prone to error it can be. But AI can automate the heavy lifting, and I'm going to show you exactly how. By using AI-powered software, you can dig into your affiliate data to identify which campaigns, offers, or sources are driving the most revenue. The software will pull in data from various channels and make recommendations based on patterns and historical performance. First, let's look at how AI can break down your affiliate ROI. With traditional methods, you'd manually compare clicks, conversions, and sales to see which affiliate links are performing well. But AI takes it a step further. It not only analyzes the numbers, but also identifies hidden trends and outliers. For example, it might detect that a specific type of content or promotion is getting a higher than usual conversion rate. Or it could tell you which products or services are trending right now and likely to provide higher commissions. Next, AI can forecast trends. Instead of waiting to see how a trend plays out, AI tools use historical data and predictive analytics to give you a glimpse into the future. It can highlight emerging trends in affiliate marketing or in your niche, allowing you to act before your competitors. For instance, the software might predict that a new product or service is gaining traction with your target audience, and it will suggest that you start promoting it now. This lets you stay ahead of the curve. Now, here's where it gets even better. Many AI tools integrate with your existing affiliate platforms, so you don't need to learn new software or disrupt your current workflow. You simply plug in your affiliate data, and the software does the rest. It pulls in analytics from multiple sources like your website, email campaigns, and social media platforms to give you a comprehensive view of your affiliate performance. With all this data at your fingertips, you can optimize your campaigns in real time, cutting out the guesswork and making smarter, data-driven decisions. I've tested out all the major tools in this space, and this software I'm recommending today is hands down the best for analyzing affiliate ROI and predicting trends. It's user-friendly, and you can get started right away without needing to be an expert in data analytics. And here's the best part. I've partnered with the team behind this software to give you an exclusive free trial to try it for yourself. You'll find the link in the description below, so be sure to grab it while it's available. Here's the key takeaway from today's video. Using AI to analyze your affiliate ROI and predict trends can drastically improve your affiliate marketing results. By leveraging the power of AI, you'll not only identify which campaigns are working, but also get insights into future trends, giving you a competitive edge. To recap, first, use AI to analyze your affiliate ROI by pulling data from all your channels and letting the software identify trends. Then, use predictive analytics to forecast upcoming trends and jump on profitable opportunities early. Remember, using AI tools like the software I've shown you today can save you time and help you make smarter data-backed decisions. And don't forget, you can try this software for free using the exclusive trial link in the description. It's a game changer for anyone serious about affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching.